Hey, fempreneurs. I just wanted to show you a couple of ebooks that I've made recently so that you have an idea of a couple ways you can do it. So I always start building my stuff in Google Docs. So yeah, so I type it up in here, and you could just download this as a PDF and use this as your free ebook, your opt-in freebie on your homepage. You could just use this. Totally fine to do that. However, I like to make things pretty. I like to add in my brand colors. I like to put pictures. I like to make buttons and clickable links. So I go to Canva to do all of that. So this is one that you can create, just a basic PDF. So if you're on the home page in Canva, you would choose the A4 document for this one. Now, this other one that I just made is a little different. So I'm kind of making it more like a book so that it kind of looks the same way when I'm formatting my book, kind of looks similar to that. It's not an actual correct size for a book. You can see that it's a little bit too wide, the pages are. But yeah, it still enables me to make it pretty and use different font sizes and make buttons and things like that. So how I do this is I just pop over to my document in Google Docs, copy a section of text, and paste it over into Canva. Now, some of you might be thinking, oh, that sounds like a ton of work. But you got to think about what this is, guys. This is the introduction to your awesomeness. This is how you're going to wow your ideal clients. You're giving them something for free that shows them that you care and that you have expertise in this area of problem solving that they're looking for. So I want it to look as awesome as it possibly can. And I'm going to make a new one of these welcome free ebooks or opt-in freebies or whatever you want to call them. I'm going to make one of these every month. So once a month, this will change and it will end up, the one that I had in there last month will end up in the store on my website. So I will then charge, say, $9.99 for this ebook. And before I put it over there, if there's any time sensitive information, any dates, anything like that, I'll go in and I'll brush it up and kind of fix it and make sure it doesn't say anything, that's time sensitive. And then I'll download it and I'll put that into the store on my website. And then these become not just free opt-in ebooks. These also become money machines, things that are making money while you sleep and walk your dog. So there you have it. That is what I would do. Oh, I was going to show you the size for this one. So this one here, I used the card size. And then I just took, I'll just show you. So if you start brand new with a fresh card size and you want to do kind of what I did, you're going to want to go over here to Elements, and you're going to want to grab in this Shapes area. If you click See All, you're going to see this little box here. So I make it so that the lines are nice and thin, and then I make it so that so you can see that pink line that popped up. That's how I know I'm in the center. So I'll go a little bit inside. I'll go down to the bottom. And so when I kind of move it around, I'll see a pink line come up across the middle of the page. That's how I know it's centered. So then I'll hit duplicate, and now I've got two that are the same size. And if I scooch it over to the point where it looks like it's centered, then I should be good to go. And from there, I can go ahead and duplicate that page, and I can make as many pages like that as I want so that I have lots and lots of these pages. So yeah, there you have it. And then I usually don't put these frames around the pages until the very end, but you could do it at the beginning if you want, or at the end, whatever you want to do. And I think that's all I really want to show you. So yeah, enjoy making your free ebook. Make it awesome. And if you want to get a great example of one, there's always a fresh one at yycfempreneur.com right on the homepage. And you can download it and check it out. Absolutely use it as inspiration, and for formatting and things like that. That's the other thing about Canva that I guess I should mention. I mean, if you're brand new to Canva, be prepared to have your mind completely blown. So if you click this templates button up here, you'll see all sorts of things that you can use for inspiration to make your ebook. You have a better chance of finding good stuff if you use the A4 document, because then you can actually Let's see what happens when we type in ebook under templates. And yeah, and I hope you have a really fun time building on Canva. I'm Lyndsie Barrie. Thanks for watching this video and sharing it with your fempreneur friends.